Good morning. I'm going to throw in a load of laundry and I just wanted to show you guys, we're so thankful that this place has a washer and a dryer. The dryer was broken, but now it's fixed. Basically, I can fit 2 pairs of jeans in the washing machine. I'll show you. Looks normal, but you guys, look, that's the back of it. So like, maybe it goes up to my wrist. I'm gonna throw in some jeans and see what happens. Maybe I can add a couple of extra pairs of socks. But that's it. Ooh. Here we go. At this rate, it takes forever to do laundry. However, I packed a capsule wardrobe to come here. Keeping, true to who I am with the 40 hanger closet. I have a very small amount of clothes that I'm just kind of wearing the same things over and over again. So only being able to wash a few things at a time is not a big deal because I only brought a few things. Remember that restaurant that we wanted to try one time? Still haven't had a chance to try it. That's right. When are our reservations? Thursday.
7:30.
For all 4 of us or just the 2 of us? This is the little town square. A couple of restaurants, cafes. Look at the clothing store down there brought their clothes out onto the sidewalk this morning.
Huh.
This one, the little?
The little one.
The small. Thank you.
Okay, so the first day we were here, I had that. So good.
I'm excited. I like lemon desserts.
Right?
That's delicious.
So good. And I'm having this, although I probably won't eat it all. That looks delicious. Buongiorno. She already has your coffee order memorized, babe.
Okay.
Good morning. Go see Dad. These are so good. She makes such a good cappuccino. You can't get real cappuccino at home. I don't care what anybody says. Nothing like this is at home. Which is a little interesting because the first day we were here, I got given a free pastry. We thought nothing of it. Now today, Jeff gets given a free pastry and he assumes that she likes them.
That is so not true.
So Bella's been doing online school during our travels and she's just at crunch time. It's exam time, culminating task time.
Yeah, it's the semester's final exams.
Almost finished, and she's been getting notifications of acceptance into next semester's courses. What are you doing? Home and house design.
Next semester I have functions, which is math, not vibe. But then I have English, home and house design, and history of Hollywood arts.
Fun. Since we've been here, I've been cooking and puttering around the kitchen, and it's just been filling my little heart. Plus, making some products to sell on Amazon. If you followed my website for any time, even though I don't post to it very often, I do have a handful of freebies on my website. Journals and planners and guides and things like that. So I've been making those a little bit more, kind of beefing them up a little bit and getting them ready to put on Amazon as journals that people could purchase. So I've been spending my time creating some of those things and YouTube things and planning kind of some stuff, content creation for the next little while. So it's keeping me and Bella busy. That's what Marley's been up to too. Just doing whatever fills her little tank. Marley, did you find the only sun in the whole place? Getting some sunshine? Huh? And we got Catan ready. Me and Olivia and Isabella played it last night.
I won.
Bella dominated. So we decided to leave it set up. We'll probably play it again today sometime before dinner.
Well, we should tell them what we actually play.
That's right. We play our own version of Catan.
Basically, we used to play Catan like quite often, and I would lose every single time. So we made a giant board for 6 people, only to play with 3 people, and we added gold, and we swapped out some of the low numbers with high numbers. And
Called
you
it
can
Ultimate
you
Catan.
can move roads too. You can
That's right,
move
like-
roads after you place them.
Yeah, we made our own rules. So now that we have Ultimate Catan, Bella's
I won
dominating.
twice.
You won 2 out of the 3 games, right?
Yeah. No, 2 out of 4.
2 out of 4.
The way I took my hoodie into my pants, I look like a grandpa. I'm gonna do that again. I just had the strongest urge.
Okay, here she goes.